It's recording. Nice fail. That one was caught on camera too. Hurry up! Hurry up, Bluefoot. Bluefoot goon. Quit failing, you're on camera!
Yeah!
Shut up. Well then do it! Prove it! See, you don't gotta prove it to me, you gotta prove it to the camera. What was that? What was that? Was that like ultimate fail or something? Dude, go away. Back up. Quit failing! Dude, get out of there. Why do you keep failing? Then try! Sorry. Sorry. You keep failing. Quit failing.
Keep on talking about me. This guy can't dunk. I saw it. I saw it yesterday. So I know he's done. And you've already seen him dunk. Oh, you broke it.
Oh! You broke it. You broke it.
Broke what?
15.
What?
15. Yeah. Is that thunder?
You still see it.
I guess some people fail a little too much. Some people fail a little too much. Nice fail. Are you good at soccer? Well, this video needs something more to laugh at. This video needs something more to laugh at. There's nothing to laugh at with this. Was I supposed to be impressed? Because I wasn't. Alright, that one was okay. Little man makes a move. Ew. Nice try. Maybe next time, buddy. Stay out of the video. Don't cuss. Don't cuss. This video is... Don't cuss. No. It's my phone. Say hi. Say hi. I'm following you now. TMZ mode.